Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 9th of March, 2020, about 9:12 a.m. Central Time. I'm not going to go through the morning statistics. They're unimportant. What the market's looking at is a monster break that occurred, past tense, in Brent. It's bounced $5 already off the low. This market fell as low as 31. You took our WTI oil and you're up almost nearly $7 rebound in that market off the lows. These are rebounds. The market's got overdone. They're giving you a bounce back. The grain market's down. Meat markets open the limit down. All due in part to energy and coronavirus. What can I tell you? The numbers are picking up. It is not something that we didn't discuss last week. As more test kits get out, we're going to find more cases. And the U.S. doesn't really have a lot of test kits yet that have been turned back in. I heard that maybe 3,500. So there's more numbers to come. Northern Italy went into a region, nearly 16, 17 million people are now quarantined there. Spain has 1,000 cases. So the momentum is picking up. But there's a good news, too, and people are not listening. China seems to have peaked. And if they've peaked, maybe we're learning that, like everything else, you get the spread and then it dribbles down. In any case, you're getting your big break in the stock market. I, for one, would not be surprised that traders have nibbling orders, not in futures, but in individual stocks, on the way down in this type of break. This is not where you panic, folks. I've been through this. You've been through it. But when you're in it, it is so difficult. Should you keep your hands in your pocket as a futures trader? Yeah. I'm a futures broker. I'm telling you, this is not where you try to be a hero. And I can't stop that many of you are going to do that, but this is what you're going to deal with. You're trying to make logic out of illogic. You went from 34 down to 27, and now you're bucking up at the highs again. Why? Well, we know that what happened over the weekend is the Saudis basically let Russia have it between the eyes. They said, we're going to give discounts, and they did, from $6 to $8 per barrel. Then they said they're going to increase production. Do they want to just shoot themselves in the foot with their Aramco now below the offering price? No. But it's most likely in their best interest to get Russia back to the trade table. Russia got a feel for it. And the bravado, of course, Russia, they can go 10 years with prices like that. Come on. Nobody can do that. So you know it, I know it, and this is what we're all dealing with. Today is a day of extreme caution. You're going to say, why is gold down $7 from that high? When you have to meet margin, you sell everything. I know it sounds crazy, been through it. So even the good gets sold off, and that's what happens. A lot of firms are going to raise margins on you today. You don't think so? You watch by the end of the day. I owned at one point one of the larger discount firms in the country. I don't anymore, and I know what they do. They have to protect themselves. So they will go away from exchange margins, maybe briefly during the day, and then they come back into them. Just talk to your own brokerage firm, find out. Maybe they won't. I know what I would have done in a circumstance. Now, we went through two circuit breakers in the stock market. At nighttime, you can fall 5%, and then the market ceases trading. I imagine it can come off the limit, but it was down there. You next open with a 7% decline in the day trade. They take the 5 you were down and add 2 more percentage points, so it's not 5 plus 7. It's 5 plus 2. If you go down the limit on that one and then there's a breaker, I think it's 15 minutes or so. Then you can go down an additional percentage to get to 13%, and then another percentage with the circuit breakers to get down to 20. Did we see the worst today? Don't know. I'll let that up to you. What I do know is days like today, you want to read the information that companies like ours puts out. Why? Because we're talking all the markets, giving you an idea of what's to happen or what may happen. And we bring level-headedness to the marketplace. You don't see me panicking. I'm not. I've been through this. I write a subscription letter for my clients, right? They pay me. You know what I've been telling them? Stay in cash. It's not about being right or wrong. I don't think I could have been anything to done well in this. You get down like you just did in crude, then it's up on you 7. It's about a game of trying to control risk. So if you're not there, maybe you should learn a little bit about it. Maybe our newsletters will help. That's all I'm saying. How do you get that? Go to our website, sign up for our free trial. You can call my staff, they'll get you signed up as well. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll be here at the end of the day wrap-ups. Let's see where the market leads us. You have a good trading day.